Imagine every tool you use at work finally talk to each other. Not just the kind of work together, but actually shared information instantly. Your booking systems, your CRMs, emails, ERPs, inventories, your spreadsheets, all of it. Now imagine one AI agent that can move through all of them like a universal remote. That's why today we're going to be talking about MCPs, Model Context Protocol. And even though the name sounds technical, the idea is actually very simple. And once you get it, you'll never see AI the same way. Hey everyone, I'm Gio. I build real AI agents, not chatbots, used every day by universities, restaurants, manufacturers, municipalities, and businesses across the country. We built AI agents for university districts, agents that push data into ERPs, agents that replace hours of manual work every single day. And my thing is about making AI so simple that a fifth grader can explain it back to you. So let's break down the edge behind real AI automation. MCPs. Let's start with an analogy. MCP is a universal remote for your AI agent. You know when you buy a smart TV and you suddenly have one remote that controls everything? Your TV, soundbar, lights, Apple TV, your thermostat. You're not switching remotes, you're not opening 10 apps. You just have one remote, one interface, and you have full control. That's MCP. It gives your AI agent the ability to move across all the tools the same way. Your CRM, your emails, booking systems, ERP, inventory, documents, your website, everything. And here's something nobody says out loud. AI agents aren't powerful because they sound smart. They're powerful because they can do things, and MCP is actually how they take action. Now let me give you a short technical version, the real under the hood explanation without losing you. MCP works by giving an AI agent a safe toolbox of actions is allowed to use. Each action has a job. One action might send emails, one might push data into the CRM, one might check your booking systems, one might even update your ERP. When you connect the system, you describe what the system does, and the field accepts it, and what action the agent can perform. For example, things like create an appointment, get customer email, or update order status. Each action has a name, a description in simple English, and a list of required fields like name, email, dates, or product ID. When the user asks for something, the agent selects the right tool, fills in the fields, and sends structured JSON to external API. The API sends JSON back, the agent reads it and continues. So it feels like magic, but it's really just a very organized toolbox that the agent knows how to use. So if you think about it from a very simple point of view, you're giving the AI agent a toolbox, you're labeling the tools clearly, and the agent picks the right one without breaking anything. That's the heart of MCPs. Now let's break this down visually because that's how I think and that's how most people understand it as well. So picture a map of your business. CRM over here, email over there, booking systems in the corner, ERP on the other side. Without MCP, all these systems are in an island. They don't talk, they don't collaborate, so humans become the glue. Humans copy and paste data. Humans check spreadsheets. They confirm schedules, update ERPs. They remind other humans to do things. This is the glue that kind of slows everything down and drains time, money, and patience. But with MCP, your AI agent becomes the bridge between the islands. It walks into the CRMs, grabs the data, walks across the bridge, places it perfectly into the ERP, then triggers an action into another tool, all automatically. Think of your AI agent like a hotel concierge with the master key card. It can move between rooms, room 101, 204, the kitchen, the service hall, because it has the permission to. MCPs is a master key card. Without it, your agent is stuck in the lobby. Let's jump into real world examples because this is where everything clicks. And these are real scenarios I've worked on and even built agents for. So example 1, this is a salon or a service business. Imagine someone who goes into the website and they say, do you have availability at Thursday 12 p.m. Normally a human has to check the booking systems, find the opening, reply to the client, manually add the appointment, send the confirmation email, update the CRM, and then hope everything was logged in correctly. With MCP, one AI agent can do every single step for you. It checks the booking system in the software, it finds the time, it confirms with the customer, it books the appointment, it sends the confirmation email, it updates the CRM. You didn't touch anything, no tabs, no copy and paste, no friction. This is MCP. Let's go deeper because this is where MCP truly shines. So let's talk about engineering. I've been working with many water treatment plants and engineering firms for quite a while. Engineers have to reference Hydraulic Institute standards. They're not just one-page documents. These are huge PDFs with specific rules, variables that they must follow. Sometimes it's easier to find what they need, but many times they're scrolling, searching, cross-checking. But with an MCP enabled agent, they ask a question, they get the exact reference instantly, and because the agent has a master key card, it can also push data into a spec, alert the project manager, and update internal documents automatically, meaning there's no hunting, there's no searching, no guessing, just accuracy, and it does it fast. Quick pause before we continue. If at any point you're you're thinking, man, I wish my systems can talk to each other. I would love for you guys to try our free AI Audit Agent, link below. It finds bottlenecks of your business and gives you a blueprint of what you should do to automate first. It's free and takes a minute so that you can find the fastest way to figure out if you're MCP ready. So now, here's the part most people don't understand. MCP isn't powerful because it's technical. MCP is powerful because it solves the biggest invisible problem in every organization: disconnected tools. Your CRM doesn't talk to your booking system doesn't talk to your email, your ERP doesn't talk to your documents. Humans become the glue. MCP removes all the glue work. When tools talk, everything speeds up. Nothing gets lost, nothing slips through the cracks, and your process stops being a puzzle of sticky notes, screenshots, DMs, spreadsheets, and manual reminders. And here's my signature line, the thing I say everywhere I go. AI doesn't replace people. It replaces the glue work that people hate doing. Humans remain the thinkers, agents become the doers, and MCP is what gives your agents hands. So if you're watching this and thinking, could MCP help my business? The answer is probably yes, but don't guess. Try our free AI Audit Agent, as mentioned in the link below, and it will tell you exactly where you're losing time, where you're losing money, and what should be the first step when it comes to automation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. I'm Gio, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.